In the darkest and coldest time of year, it's important to stay prepared for the worst. Well, we've got you covered. Check out the 12-hour light sticks from Orion. These 6-inch green light sticks are perfect to keep in your car for emergencies, or in your tool bag if you work in remote areas. So just bend, snap, and shake, and you've got yourself up to 12 hours of light in your hand. And for those skeptical, these ain't your grandma's glow sticks. These are industrial grade, activating instantly, and outputting much more light than the ones you grab at the dollar store. Since these are generally used for emergency scenarios such as vehicle breakdowns, Orion kept safety in mind when designing them. They are made with non-toxic and non-flammable materials, are waterproof, and can even float if they go overboard. But hey, these sticks aren't only for emergencies. Camping with some friends? Use the included lanyard to keep around everyone's neck so no one gets lost. Trick-or-treating with the kids? Make sure they're visible to prevent accidents. Or maybe you're at a party and want to stand out from the crowd. The uses are endless. So let's keep things safe and stay prepared with this week's feature product, the 12-hour light sticks from Orion. What would you use this glow stick for? Let us know in the comments section, and be sure to subscribe for more 100% Canadian content. Thanks for watching.